Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start now by gathering a hairdryer, a plastic card, rubbing alcohol, and a soft cloth. Heat the residue for about 20 to 30 seconds on low to medium. This softens the adhesive and makes removal easier. Once warm, lift an edge with your fingernail or press a plastic card under the corner and slide gently. Make sure to heat only long enough to soften. Overheating can damage finishes. You're creating access for the next removal step immediately. You'll now dissolve what's left. Apply a small amount of rubbing alcohol or a few drops of oil to the sticky area and let it sit for 30 to 60 seconds so the solvent attacks the adhesive bonds. Then, using the plastic card at a shallow angle, scrape across the surface in short strokes to lift softened glue. Once lifted, wipe continually with a microfiber cloth to remove residue and solvent. If needed, repeat application until the surface feels clean. You finish by washing the area with mild soap and water, then dry thoroughly to remove any oily film. If the surface is delicate, make sure to test your solvent on a hidden spot first to avoid damage. Once clean, buff gently with a soft cloth for a uniform finish. If residue remains stubborn, repeat solvent application and allow a longer soak of 5 to 10 minutes before scraping again. If discoloration appears, stop and try a gentler solvent or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.